Hi kitty cats. So today I'm gonna do Glossybox. Where is it here? I actually canceled Glossybox, and once again they didn't cancel me when I canceled it. So I think I'm gonna have to call them and discuss it with them. I meant to, but I haven't yet, which is probably a mistake. I really don't want to cancel it, but I kind of have to because of finances. Like, I know it's only like 20 something bucks and that shouldn't be a big deal, but it is right now. So, and let me get out. It doesn't want to come out. My daughter is already eyeing the pretty box, and it is pretty. Like sometimes it's just a regular pink box, and then during the holidays they usually have like special ones. So here it is. Yeah, there's this card thing. It's another wine voucher thing to some wine company. And on the back it says, "Thank you for the love." They're like, "We won't let you go." That's how I feel about Glossybox. Yeah, okay.
Wow.
I know you're just saying it because you want the box.
No, actually, I love you.
I know you do love me. And I love you too. But still, I know you want the box.
I want all the boxes you get.
So, okay. Open this up so I can see what I'm getting. I feel like, I don't know. Anyway, I got a little bit too much setting spray, like right around here, and it still feels moist. Well, I guess we'll start off with these HCR 3-in-1 sheet masks. These feel really heavy. Like, they're really heavy for a sheet mask. They are from, I'm trying to find it here. And oh, here we go. Serum HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask, full size. 2 sheet masks are here. These full size sheet masks are $22 each. I've never paid that much for a sheet mask, and I think that's crazy. So we'll see how these go. I can do a Mask Monday with one of these coming soon. I'll just slip it in here. But that's crazy amount. Even if it is good, I'm still not paying $22 for a sheet mask. I think that's nuts. The next thing is Steve Laurent lip gloss in eggplant. Eggplant never sounds like a good color to me. Just the color of eggplant is like this dark purple that's almost black. So sometimes when I hear the word eggplant for a color, I'm like, that might be a bit much. And I like dark colors, but I feel like, I don't know. Sometimes they don't look anything like that color too. Like, and this doesn't want to come out. Yay, here we go. To push it out here. It actually does not look like eggplant to me. This is what I mean, like it actually looks like a really pretty color. Like purplish, but I wouldn't call almost black at all. See what I mean? Like, no, I wouldn't call that color eggplant, but that's just my opinion. It is really pretty. I probably will wear it. I might even wear it over this because it's a gloss, so it might look really pretty over this. Number 2 is, I'm grabbing the wrong thing here. Okay, here we go. The Robin McGraw Revelation Georgia Moisturizing Hand Cream. Awesome. I need some new hand cream. I'm very excited about that. My question is how does it smell? Can I get this even off? Where are my scissors? You gotta be careful because you don't want to puncture the actual hand cream here. And I don't know about your house, but in my house, scissors disappear all the time into the universe. I'm always buying new things with scissors, and new scissors are always disappearing. So, drives me a little crazy because it's like I shouldn't be buying this much scissors. I can't really afford it. So, it smells nice. It seems like a pretty moisturizing. Actually, it doesn't smell as nice as I thought it did. Like at first smell, it smells good, and then it kind of smells a little like glue. I don't know. I may have to mess around with this for a little while. It says an elegant and empowering fragrance that expresses the spirit of being a woman. Yes, we are glue. We make everything stick together. See what I did with that? Whatever. Anyways, next thing we have here is dry oil control spray. Oh, this is for hair. I don't need this. It's to help with humidity. I don't need this, especially this time of year. I'm probably gonna put that away for a giveaway situation for somebody, you know, who might actually have use of it. And then we have some cuticle oil, and this, I already have like 2 things of cuticle oil. I don't need a third, so this also will probably go into a giveaway situation. This Glossybox, how do I feel about it? Don't know. I love Glossybox, but I don't love the fact that when I try to cancel, they don't let me cancel. I find that really, really annoying and disturbing, and it doesn't make me want to have it again. It's like, well, maybe, you know, in the future when I have money again, I'll do, you know, the new Ipsy, or I'll do like something else, because why would I want to keep something that doesn't let me cancel it? Makes it so difficult. It shouldn't be difficult to cancel things. It just shouldn't. It's ridiculous that they make it difficult. This I'm gonna see about. I mean, if anything, if it's the smell kind of dissipates a little, it's weird. I think the smell is kind of weird. Like it starts to smell good and then it doesn't. It's very strange. I don't know how I feel about it, but I think, no, I do know how I feel about it. I don't particularly like it, but I do need hand cream, so it's like, but do I think this was a great thing to get in my box? No, because it smells weird. Otherwise, I would have been like, yes, if it had a nice scent or no scent, I would have been for it. But weird scent? Not so into. I'm still going to use it because I desperately need hand cream. This I like. I do like, even though I was like, oh, eggplant, because the color eggplant is always never the color eggplant, or it is, and then it's not what I like. I don't know. I do like this color though. I'm probably going to throw it on top of what I already have on, because I think it'll look pretty on top of it. But yeah, so that's that. Seemed really quick, didn't it? Oh yeah, and the sheet mask. The sheet masks I think are really nice, but $22 a sheet mask? Are you insane? Have you ever paid that much for a sheet mask? Like, I have one that has like pieces of gold in it, and you know, it didn't cost that much. Like, that's a hefty amount for a sheet mask. It better like not just moisturize my skin, but like completely change my face. Like, I mean, come on, $22. I suppose there are more expensive ones out there, which that I think is even more insane. But I don't think a sheet mask should cost more than $12. I think $12 would be like a more luxurious sheet mask, and a regular sheet mask should be about between $3 to $6. I just think that anything over 12 bucks for a sheet mask to me is outrageous. That's my opinion. I'm sticking to it. Anyways, remember to share, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff. And you remember to always be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. And trust me, I know it's really, really hard sometimes. Bye, kitty cats.